Hello. So today we're not just gonna do Battle Bears, cause there's a game that I'm already addicted. So first you just open your web browser. So everyone who uses Google or Safari, you could just go to Survive. It's surviv.io. It's super fun. Yeah, my nick. So if you wanna play with me, you could search U space hashtag at dollar sign and the exclamation mark. Yeah, I just randomly typed it. So okay, don't think that I did F word. No, I'm not that mean person. Okay, so I could do that. Ah, if you play squad, then you can kill your own teammate. But in this one, it's 50v50, which means nah. Okay, first of all, I need to find a freaking weapon. Yes. No, don't dare you. No. What the? You're dead. Come on. Here. Oh, kill you. Oh, I hate you. Why did you even take my thing? Huh? Okay, fine. I'm gonna take my own weapon because I am the stupidest. Yes. No. I don't recommend you. If I were you, I would do that. Thank you. Oh, shoot. Fine. Okay. If you want to destroy this, we'll go ahead, but just telling you, you might die. Oh my gosh, I just wanted that axe. Where does this stupid humans find us? Okay, zero weapon. Oh no, who did that? Help, yeah, help, boy. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Nice, thank you very much. And I'll do... Oh, shoot. Okay, just gotta hide here. Come on. Oh, God. So slow. Somehow, I'm the only one with no weapon. Wow. What a noob. Okay, I am a noob. Okay, I think I better choose that nickname. I'm a noob. What a great nickname. Okay, I need healing. Hey, I need healing. Give me this. I need healing, boy. I need healing. Aw, you stupid idiot. Give me healing. Give me healing. No. Excuse me? I think I already said like 10 million times I need healing. No. Oh my god. Okay. I died. So, I'm gonna play a new game. Okay, let's play squad. So I wanna kill my teammates. Hey, teammate, I wanna kill you. Hey, teammate, let me kill you. I wanna kill you, teammate. Come on, teammate, I wanna kill you. Oh, what a noob. Ah, noob alert! Okay. Oh. Does that give me something? Oh, really? Thanks. Whoa! Okay, I need a weapon. Nothing. Yes! Finally! Are you kidding me? So I'll just take that bag and run! Okay, finally. Gotcha. Tiny little stupid ass. Okay, let's land. Red zone. Oh, hi. No. Okay, help, please. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I just started. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna play this one more time. And you kill me. I'm gonna. You know you can like kill your own teammate in here, right? See? He takes damage. Die. Die! Kick us. Okay. 100%ly and stupid opponent gotta be in there. Okay, gotta do something. Give me something. Oh, it's still okay. Okay. Let's see. I thought one day I found like something in here. Right? What the? Okay. That's creepy. I think I better should go in there. Whoa. Holy. I think my teammate's on there. No, it's my opponent. Wait, no. Really? Really? Okay, you can't know who. What the? Okay, I'm gonna play this. Okay, did somebody just die or what? Bomb! I'm gonna take that, thank you. Whoa! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy, this is what I wanted. Yeah, boy. Finally, what I'm talking about. The first... Okay, this is my first time being a healer, so I'll just screenshot this. Wow, first healer. Whoa, God. Okay, why are you hitting me? Die. You hit me, I kill you. Fine, okay, stop hitting me! Oh my god! Okay, you noob. Piece of noob.
Missed our last ad. Let's circle back and get you up to speed. Smile Direct.
Okay, that's advertisement, sorry. Because I use the app called Spotify.
You'll be well on your way to a smile you love.
Well,
to take the smile assessment.
Okay, no, okay, okay.
That's Smile Direct Club.
Okay,
And get started on a smile you'll love.
Okay! Stop killing me! No. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay. So, yeah. I played like 3 rounds of Survive.io, but wow. First time being a healer. Let's check the... Wow, perfect! But, shoot, I didn't even do a kill and I died. Wow. Okay, anyway, thank you for listening. Please subscribe, and if you want to notice the new videos come out, then press the notification bell. Just it looks like a bell. Anyway, so yes, please subscribe. I beg you, because I only have 2 subscribers, but that's still a lot. Anyway, subscribe. So that was all from me, and bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.